Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a bank vault system works, step by step. First of all, a bank vault is not protected by only one lock. Instead, it uses multiple layers of security to protect cash, documents, safe deposit boxes, and other valuable items. Each step is carefully controlled so that only authorized people can enter the vault area. Number 1. First, the process starts with an identity check. Authorized bank staff must prove who they are by using an ID card, password, PIN, or biometric system such as a fingerprint scanner. This helps the bank confirm that the person requesting access is trusted and approved. Number 2. Next, many vault systems use dual authorization. This means one person alone may not be allowed to open the vault. On the other hand, two approved employees may need to use separate keys, codes, or approval methods. This reduces the risk of misuse and adds another strong layer of protection. Number 3. After that, the security system is checked. Cameras, alarms, motion sensors, and control systems confirm that the vault area is safe and secure. If something unusual is detected, the system can stop the access process and alert security staff immediately. Number 4. Then, the time lock is verified. A bank vault usually opens only during specific allowed hours, such as official banking hours. On the other hand, outside the approved time window, the vault remains locked even if the correct code or key is used. Number 5. Once all checks are complete, the vault door unlocking process begins. Electronic locks and mechanical locks disengage, and the strong locking bolts slowly retract. These bolts are extremely important because they hold the heavy steel door firmly in place. Number 6. After the locks are released, the vault door can be opened. The heavy door swings open, allowing controlled access to cash, documents, gold, or safe deposit boxes. However, access is still limited and supervised because the vault remains a high-security area. Number 7. Meanwhile, monitoring continues inside the vault. CCTV cameras record the activity, access logs track who entered and when, and security staff may supervise the process. As a result, every movement inside the vault can be reviewed later if needed. Number 8. Finally, after the work is completed, the vault is relocked. The door is closed, the locking bolts move back into place, alarms are reactivated, and access records are saved. Therefore, the vault returns to its fully secured condition. In conclusion, a bank vault system works through identity checks, dual authorization, security monitoring, time locks, strong steel doors, locking bolts, CCTV cameras, and alarm sensors. Together, these features create multiple layers of protection, making the vault much safer than a normal locked room. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.